Number 8 question in labor law and social legislation. Brain Therapy Clinic BT6 engaged Franklin, a probationary physical therapist, for a period of 5 months. BTC informed Franklin that he must obtain satisfactory grades in this criteria. A diagnosis of movement dysfunction, B. Therapeutic exercise techniques, C. Stimulation and healing massage, D. Proper use of machines and equipment. After these months, BTC observed that Franklin cannot meet the minimum criteria. Franklin was unfamiliar with therapeutic exercise techniques and was unable to remember the use of therapy machines. The following day, the owner of the BTC left a note on Franklin's desk which reads, "Hi, Franklin. I tried to guide and train you in the past months, but there has been no improvements. The management is unhappy with your work performance, thus your probationary employment is terminated 1 week from notice for failure to meet the minimum standards for regularization." Aggrieved, Franklin questioned his termination for lack of procedural due process. Is BTC required to comply with the 12 notice rule before terminating Franklin's employment? Explain. Answer: yes. BTC is required to comply with 12 notice rule before terminating Franklin's employment. The first written notice refers to that which must be served on the employee or employees concerned. It should contain what company rules were violated, if any, and the specific causes or grounds for termination against them. It must contain a directive that the employees are given opportunity to submit the written explanation within a reasonable period. In same vein, second written notice is now called the notice of termination, which should indicate that the circumstances involving the charge against the employees have been terminated to justify the severance of their employment. The two aspects of the statutory due process under the Labor Code are the following. One, substantive. Example, the valid and authorized causes of employment termination under the Labor Code. And two, procedural due process. The manner of dismissal. The requirement for dismissal are found in the implementing rules of PD 442 as amended, otherwise known as the Labor Code of the Philippines, in Book 6, Agabon versus NLRC, GR number 158693, November 17, 2004. Further, probationary employment shall not exceed 6 months from the date the employee started working unless it is covered by an apprentice agreement stipulating a longer period, Article 296 Labor Code. As explained in Abbott Laboratories, Philippines versus Alcaraz, GR number 192,571, July 23, 2013. Corollary thereto, Section 6D, Rule 1, Book 6 of the Implementing Rules of the Labor Code provides that if the employee fails to inform the probationary employee of the reasonable standards upon which the regularization would be based on at the time of the engagement, then the said employee shall be deemed a regular employee. Bis. D. In all cases of probationary employment, the employer shall make known to the employee the standards under which he will qualify as a regular employee at the time of his engagement. Where no standards are made known to the employee at the time, he shall be deemed a regular employee. In other words, the employer is made to comply with two requirements when dealing with a probationary employee. First, the employer must communicate the regularization standards to the probationary employee. And second, the employer must make such communication at the time of the probationary employee's engagement. If the employer fails to comply with either the employee is deemed as regular and not a probationary employee. Keeping with these rules, an employer is deemed to have made known the standards that would qualify a probationary employee to be a regular employee when it has exerted reasonable efforts to apprise the employee of what he is expected to do or accomplish during the trial period of probation. This this goes without saying that the employee is sufficiently made aware of his probationary status as well as the length of time of the probation. So that's it. That's my answer for number 8 question. Thank you. God bless and good day.